Hey, welcome to Zach's Tech Turf. So last week I uploaded my GT 1030 benchmarks in a budget PC video and you guys absolutely loved it. So today we're doing the exact same video but with a beefier graphics card, the GTX 1050 Ti. So let's get into it. First, I want to let you know that I already fully reviewed and benchmarked the GTX 1050 Ti in a separate video. In that video, I benchmarked the card with a super high-end system so that we could see the full potential of the GPU, and I highly recommend you also check that video out. So before getting into this video, I want to recommend that you guys check out my GT 1030 version of this video. I'll have it linked up here because you're gonna see in some games we got pretty much the exact same results with the GTX 1050 Ti, and in some games we didn't, and I'll explain that after the benchmarks. Real quickly before getting into the benchmarks, let's go over that budget build, which is our testing rig for today. I actually have a full video of this build, which I'll link in the upper right as well and in the description. It's rocking an Intel Core 2 Quad Q9400 clocked at 2.6 GHz, 4 GB of DDR2 800 MHz RAM, an OEM motherboard, and an EVGA 430 watt power supply. One more thing, the footage that you're about to see is a little bit slower than the results I'll have on the right side of the screen. Whenever you're recording gameplay on a super budget PC, you're definitely going to be dropping some frames. Alright, let's cue the benchmarks. So yeah, as you can see, some games got a big FPS increase from the 1030 to the 1050 Ti, such as For Honor or Rocket League, and this is because these games are GPU intensive, so the GPU upgrade really made a difference. On the other hand, CPU intensive games like CSGO or Team Fortress 2 barely got an upgrade, so this is something to keep in mind if you're debating about either one of these cards. At the end of the day, this PC build with the GTX 1050 Ti is definitely bottlenecked by its 4 GB of RAM and 2.6 GHz Core 2 Quad processor, and these tests definitely prove that. The GTX 1050 Ti far outperforms the GT 1030 in a better system, but if this is all you have to work with, then maybe a GT 1030 is all you need. Well, that wraps up my benchmarks of the GTX 1050 Ti in a super budget build. I want to start making more videos like this for you guys because I have a lot of fun building new PCs and showing what these parts can do. Make sure you guys keep letting me know in the comment section what you want to see next. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like down below to help support my channel, and as always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more Zach's Tech Turf videos.